Good morning, people of the internet.
There must be some way out of here.
Let me turn it. How are y'all today? So, let me just explain real quick. It's Monday, January 17th. It's currently 12 p.m. and I just woke up. My family currently has COVID. So, I'm stuck at home all week. Full 10 days. Anyway, so I figured I would vlog it because I'll have nothing else to do.
What are you taking a picture of me for?
I'm vlogging. Where you been?
I had to go unload some stuff. So.
Hey, Mom.
Where else have you been?
That's it.
Sketchy.
Ooh.
I'm not sketchy.
Out.
Hey, Louie. Hey. 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 Hey.
Hello?
Show me your pro gamer moves.
There's no pro gamer moves in this game. You just eat. I'm stuck
Why are you a worm?
because it's called worm
Is this
face.
Minecraft?
No, I can't get out of the corner. Let me help me. I can't get out of the corner. That's my sister.
Ooh, look at me. Okay, so as you can see, the lighting in my room is terrible because only this light is working. So I'm gonna try to change that today. I'm gonna do a lot today.
So, I had to clean my bed, I had to clean off my desk, I had to clean off my floor, because I want clothes, they're not clean. I should have folded them because I hate folding. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today.
I could do my Bible study while I drink my coffee. I better see no judgment on how I look in this, or the amount of stuff I actually get done. You know I ain't gonna do all of it that I say I'm going to. Don't be doing all that, because I ain't in the mood for it. Okay, I'm probably gonna get dressed now because I'm still in my PJs. Okay. Changed. Got on this shirt. It's got stars on it. And I just have on some leggings and my fluffy socks. Where you can see that. Yeah, that's the outfit of the day. I'm gonna go brush my teeth because my teeth bone. See my pimple? I picked at it and now it's gonna be there for like a month. So let's go brush my teeth. I'm gonna put some perfume on. I'm also gonna put on some deodorant so my armpits don't stink. Alright, I'm gonna go eat some pizza because it's lunchtime. It's actually past lunchtime. What time is it? It's 1:43. So I'm gonna eat some pizza. And then I'm gonna edit some videos. And then I'll probably play Minecraft or something, I don't know. It's a super nutritious meal. It's pizza, don't judge. Don't judge, judging's not nice. I just scrolled on like TikTok for like 30 minutes, so that's cool. Oh. Okay. Okay, so I'm about to post this YouTube video. It'll be out before this one. So if you're seeing this and you haven't watched it, go watch it. It's loading. And yes, I edit on my iPad. Sometimes I edit on my computer, but it's just easier to edit on my iPad. I'm sorry, I kept getting distracted because like my mustache is so prominent right now. Do y'all like my wall? Okay, so that video is saved. Coolio. Coolio. I need to make a thumbnail for that. That's gonna be next on the list. Okay, so my thumbnails have been really like basic. Like literally have not put any effort into my thumbnails so far. So what I'm gonna do is I kind of want to start doing this with my Instagram too. Like doing like doodles on the pictures, if that makes sense. A little scrapbook kind of looking style. Stop it, get some help. Okay. So
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry. You were right. Just leave me be. I'm not gonna put up
so
a
this is
fight.
what we got. Alright, I want it to be like big so we can see it. You know what? Whatever. It's just gonna be like that. I don't even care. I'm done with it. I spent way too long on this, not gonna lie. I uploaded the thumbnail onto my computer, so I have to edit all that. And then I'm getting the end card set up. Good lord, it has 5 views already? I posted it 3 minutes ago. I'm famous. Alright, time to move on to something different. I've been working on that for way too long. Here. And this is my YouTube channel. Go subscribe. Oh, I gained a subscriber. I want some iced coffee, like straight up, but I don't have any. Okay, so I just put some coffee in the freezer because I want some iced coffee. But now I need to put light bulbs in there because in my thing, this is one from it. So those are different ends, so I can't use that one. These small ones. Okay, let's try not to electric shoot myself. Having all the same shaped light bulbs. Whoever heard of that? Not me. I have to help my father. You gonna plug your YouTube channel?
Yeah. Go to Hunt Real Outdoors YouTube channel. Boom, boom, right there. You'll find some amazing hunts.
I'm a model.
Come up. Like forward. Forward! Are you filming this?
Yeah. Why not? Okay. So I know this has been like kind of all over the place. But we're about to go to the dollar store now. And I'm gonna wear my masky mask. Because I'm a good citizen and my family is gross. Not me though. Y'all stay safe. Gonna get some snacky snacks. And then we'll be back. Someone give me money.
Money? You don't have your own money?
For your Coke and popcorn? No, ma'am. And what are those? Well, that's no good. Did you hear that?
Yes. Okay.
The devil is possessing my car. Hey vlog. Fun story. So we just got out of there's a person looking at me. Anyways, so I get back in here in the car after getting, we got the haul.
There's some back here too.
And my car won't start, okay? I look like a freaking idiot in the parking lot because it went. So my dad is coming to get us. Petunia is not thriving right now. Petunia is dead. So how are y'all today? How are things? You doing great? Am I cover? This guy better not look at me. I'll throw hands, man. This is an interesting way to start my week. Again, Milo's. Sponsor me. Anyways, have an unhealthy addiction to Pringles.
There's Dad.
You're gonna have to get that fixed.
I'ma sit here and let him do all the work.
Pop the hood.
How do I do that? Anyways, that's right. Put in the work, put in the hours, and take what's ours. Have to crank it. Oh! Thanks. Okay.
Thank you.
Well, that was interesting, guys. Minecraft thing. Me on my Halo team. There's never a dull moment with me, honestly. I'm always breaking something. There's a car. Please don't freaking run me over. That would be so awkward. We're good. We've got it. We're awesome. We're golden. We are good. We're awesome. Yeah, so that was interesting. We're back though. I have my supper. I'm about to eat my supper. And it's just noodles. I have noodles. Nutritious, I know. My dad is going to fix my car tomorrow. So, Petunia will live again. Petunia will return. Anyways, yeah, so I think I'm about to eat and watch Poldark. Anyways, it's cool and I'm about to watch it, so. It's been like 2 hours and I've been looking at cameras because I want to buy a camera, but I don't know what kind of camera to get, like, at all. So if you know anything about cameras, let me know. Really one that's good for like vlogging. So like I want it to have like a flip up screen, but I also want it to be able to connect to my computer as like a webcam. Anyways, if you have any suggestions, let me know. I've decided that I want to sketch because I'm bored. I also want to put these photos that I did. The computer.
Sorry if I made a mess. I'm sorry if I'm still obsessed with you. Sorry if I'm still obsessed with you.
Good enough. Hey. Anyways, what is wrong with me? I'm good. It's like 12:15. me and my mom and my little sister are watching Poldark. And now I'm going to sleep. So, good night, everybody. Probably not nighttime for you. It might be. I don't know. I'll see y'all tomorrow with a new quarantine vlog. What am I doing? See y'all tomorrow. Bye.
There must be some way